So hopefully today this is my first attempt at a vlog style video because it's a very exciting day. I'm going to the UK launch of the brand new Honor 600 series over in London. So follow me on my day as I take this and put it through its paces. And I've also got in my pocket somewhere the regular Honor 600. So let's go. Time to head to the train station. It's now 9:28. Took the phone off charge at about 8 o'clock and we're still very much on 100%. I haven't really done a lot on it, so later will be the real test. So after doing a lot of undergrounding and training and yada yada yada, I thought I'd check on the battery on the Honor 600 Pro. We are 1220 and we are 81%. Bearing in mind that the majority of my content use has been Amazon Music, just sitting on the train and doing a bit of browsing. So yeah, I think it's about an hour and a half of screen on time. So we'll see how it does for the rest of the day. Let's get some photos. So mentioning about the overall design of the Honor 600 Pro, and one thing I can really say is I do appreciate that they've gone slightly smaller with this Pro model, matching the size of the regular 600, 6.5 inch display, 120 Hertz with a whopping 8,000 nits of peak brightness in, of course, certain situations. Overall, a really nice design. The iPhone-y kind of look doesn't bother me as it may bother other people, but yeah, overall a really nice design phone. So this is just some 1080p coming from the main camera of the Honor 600 Pro. The time is now 1:45 and we're at 69%. That's with plenty of camera usage, including video taking, photos, etc. Yeah, let me know what you think of the quality of this video. Let's take some more photos. Right, so as we're just waiting for a cab, it's time to check in on the battery again on the Honor 600 Pro with 2 hours and 37 minutes of screen on time, mostly with Amazon Music and now most recently the camera. We are on 53% and we are now heading to the actual launch of the Honor 600 Pro. So I've just got to the very last part of my video. The time is now 10:30. I took the Honor 600 Pro off charge. It was like 8 o'clock this morning, and we are now on a whopping 4% with 5 hours and 49 or 50 minutes of screen on time. Bearing in mind the amount that I've been using the camera, it's done a pretty sweet job. So let me know what you think of this video. I'm going home to bed. Catch you in the next one.